In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn on sync in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your device. Make sure the browser is fully loaded before you continue. You should be looking at the main Chrome window. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the browser. Near the three-dot menu, you will see your profile icon. This is the account area for Chrome, and it is where you manage sign-in and syncing settings. Go ahead and click that profile icon. A small menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Turn on Sync. Once you see it, click on Turn on Sync to continue. At this point, Chrome may ask you to sign in with your Google account if you are not already signed in. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen instructions and complete the sign-in process. After that, Chrome will usually ask you to confirm that you want to enable sync. Once you approve it, the feature will be turned on. After sync is active, Chrome can start saving and syncing important browser data across devices where you use the same Google account. The main part of the process is very simple. Open Chrome, click the profile icon in the upper right area, and choose Turn on Sync. Once that is done, Chrome will guide you through anything else that is needed. That covers everything you need to know.